First in 1943, I got into the Indian Air Force. And in India, I started with as a cadet, and then I was sent to Peshawar for operational training. And when I completed my operational training, I used to fly every day and report. We were allowed to fly over the disputed area and report to the government the various incidents of arson and fire on the main roads and on the main railway lines. So I used to fly every day and report back to my government. When the partition took place between India and Pakistan, I had to sign a document, give in writing that I want to transfer to Pakistan. I mean, it was a peculiar thing in this quarter that some met and sympathizers, others refused to talk even. For instance, the people I am flying with, out of 6, 2 met me, others avoided me. In general, it was bad. They were political relationship. For instance, there was a group captain, Hindu, who was posted to Pakistan as air advisor. Now he wanted to meet me, but I was avoiding to meet him because meeting him meant that I am collaborating with him, and he thought he was a friend, so he used to come and meet me. So there was a problem, and they went very high. Matter was reported by somebody else. I had to explain the relationship. During partition, the division was made. Pakistan will get this aircraft, India will get this aircraft. The Pakistan part of the aircraft were housed in Jodhpur. These were 6 Tiger Moth aircraft which were allotted to us from India, and therefore 5 pilots were sent to Jodhpur to pick up those 5 aircraft for Pakistan. But the Indians played foul and they put sugar in those carburetors, with the result when they took off, they landed on fields all over India. And then, of course, the aircraft were carried in the bullock carts, then brought to Risalpur, and then cleaned up and used for flying. That on that particular day, all the Muslims, Anglo-Indians, and Christians came to Pakistan. Rest stayed in India, Sikh and others. All the Hindus and Sikhs were flown back to India. I came to Pakistan. So I was the only man from the family in Pakistan. When the partition took place, I was an Indian and I had Indian aircraft. But then I decided to take my own aircraft to Pakistan because I flew that aircraft, and I took that aircraft and landed there and was received with flowers. There were a lot of officers belonging to ground. That means engineers, other technicians. Then they came by train to Pakistan. I came by air, because I had the facility and I was flying with them. So I flew back to Pakistan. When the partition took place, on that day in the officers' mess, the furniture belonged to the contractor. And when I came back from my office back to house, I found all the furniture removed. The contractor had taken all the furniture. So I said, क्यों भाई? कहने लगे भाई वो तो किराए पे था अंग्रेजों के पास, और वो तो चले गए. So I had to sleep on the ground. But next day, the same furniture was issued to us in the new organization. But it did hit you on the face. And they were Hindus who were renting the furniture to Pakistanis. They were Hindus. There was no sign of organization. Nobody knew who is the boss. Nobody knew where is the group. People were moving in the officers' mess just to find out कि भाई कहाँ जाना है. Nobody knew where to go. Indians were controlling the station. They had not left. Then we forced them to leave, and then we took over, and then Pakistan started getting things together.